Hi, my name is Luke, and this is how to clean a portable hard drive. If you'd like to clean an external or portable hard drive or flash drive, there's a few ways you can do this. First of all, let's start by navigating to the drive in question. Click on the start bar, go to Computer, and then find the drive. You can double-click on it to enter it. You can hit Control-A to highlight everything, and then right-click and hit Delete. This will delete all the contents on the drive and move them to the recycle bin. If they're too large, they will be automatically deleted and won't be moved to the recycle bin. Another option you have is to right-click on the drive and then hit Format. Format will begin to change the format or file system of the hard drive, but this will delete all the data on it and it will be irreparably damaged. Once it's cleared with the new file system, you'll be able to use it again. But remember, this will delete all the data on the drive. And that's it.